Hi, in this video you're going to see just how easy it is to change out the rear lights, rear lamps on a Chevrolet Impala. And you don't even need a tool. This assembly is held in by 3 plastic nuts. Now you absolutely don't have to disconnect this wiring harness and pull this out, but it's going to be easier for me to show you how to change them out from the bench top. First up is the workhorse bulb that does 3 jobs: tail light, stop light, and turn signal, and a double filament bulb. And for this you need a lamp number 3057. Just rotate clockwise till it locks into place. The little side marker bulb is a 194. All that remains is the backup lamp. And this bulb is a 921. We're going to run these through a quick test, make sure every one of them is working right. Thanks for watching. No 10-minute video here. Thank you, GM, for making the job easy. Please subscribe for more useful videos.